do.
Yeah, you would have said, well, then you brought that all on yourself.
I'm just like,
Getting
fuck,
the
why is that
$11 one.
Hold on a second. Okay, if I lose you, we're in the car wash.
You think it's gonna end?
What? Oh, I don't know. I guess we'll see how good T-Mobile is.
T-Mobile is.
I went through the car wash with Warren on the phone at lunch.
And you didn't take Noah?
I'm sorry. I was trying to get back to work. I'll redeem it. It's not the end of the damn world. That kid has been to car washes every day. So.
Tell me. Seth came over and got him and took him to the car wash. Cleaned out his car.
There you go. But yeah, anyways. I think me drafting that petition and like showing him what it really looks like on paper kind of like said, like I'm not fucking around basically.
Did he ask you about it anymore?
No. And he's been very sweet to me. He's been answering me. He's been like not leaving me on red for extended periods of time.
Aww.
I'm just like, so you do care. You just want to act like you're
an ass.
A big old asshole.
Yep. To the wrong person.
Wrong person.
He's not supposed to act like that with you. He's supposed to be that way with everybody else.
Right.
I like when he starts to get sweet. Like,
I can go take your pictures after what we done.
Don't you always?
Yes.
I don't know. I don't think I've seen his sweet side.
I've only seen bits and pieces of it, so don't take any words of advice from me. My mom, a couple of the girls that I work with at work are like, Whitney, are you still looking at like houses? I'm like, yeah. They're like, really, considering everything that he's just put you through? I'm like, I mean, what is he gonna do? Try to take it from me? He ain't gonna take it because
his name ain't gonna be on
it. Huh?
His name ain't gonna be on it.
Exactly. I'm like, if I'm in a house, I'm gonna buy a fucking house. And his income can help supplement it, so it's fine.
Yeah.
There's a house on Hemlock that I like. I probably sent it to you.
You did?
A while ago. But they dropped the price on it for $5,000. So now it's just at $125.
Did you go by and look at it? Have you went inside
I need
and looked
to.
at it?
No, but I need to.
Did you drive by and look at it?
No.
I don't even know where Hemlock's at.
It's over there by the park. I don't know if it's Central. Is that what it is?
What's the address?
You want the address?
Yeah, I'll give you the address. I'll go by and look at it.
I just know on the other side of the street, it's the park, and it's only one row of houses. But he's so he's just so, like, fixated on something with two, garages.
With 2 garages?
Yeah, so that he has a place to mess around with his bike. And I'm like, okay, but, like, where am I going to put my car? And he's like, well, you do. There's a street rule right there.
Oh. Really?
That's rude.
That's
I'm like,
rude.
what the fuck, Warren?
Yeah, you did send me this one. I like this one a lot better.
Which one?
This one on
The one that I just sent you, or the one off, on Merrill Drive. That one, we drove past when he was home this last week. Terrible. The foundation is like literally cracking on the outside. You can literally walk through it. Wow.
Hold on. This is
And Rob, Drive is over by Centennial. The Centennial Park. That's on, Hickory Head.
yes.
Do I want to go look at it?
Did you tell him you wanted to look at it?
Yes. And you know what he said?
Mm-mm.
I want something out in the country.
Okay, that's great for him, but consider.
I'm like, but here's the other thing. I'm like, I couldn't even like fathom like living out in the country because he comes check or watch the boy or check on the boys.
Well, that, and he's never home, and that would leave you out there by yourself.
Like, I already fucking hate that.
Yep.
He's literally leaving
there.
Monday to go to Arizona,
Right
and
there.
we'll be on the road for the next 2 to 3 weeks, and it's not coming home
Ew. Yeah.
because they
see?
started a new contract with Skyview.
And you would be out in the country by yourself.
Literally.